I've been on the LinkedIn platform for a number of years and have found it a super community of professionals looking to grow their network, looking for new roles and jobs, sharing their knowledge quite candidly, and the opportunity for collaboration. I've also found it a great place to sharpen and hone my skills with LinkedIn Learning. In this video, I'll be sharing 10 essential best practices that can really help you boost your presence on LinkedIn throughout 2024. Whether you're a seasoned pro or you're just starting out, these tips will definitely make a difference. So, as is customary on the channel, strap yourselves in and let's get started. First out of the gate, optimize your profile picture and background. Ideally, you want a clean, professional headshot where your face is clearly visible. It's one of those things that people will see first and foremost and will help establish you and your personal brand. My picture was taken using a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Some now are also choosing to switch out their real picture for an AI-generated or AI-enhanced image, which I think is quite cool. That option is completely down to you. The good news is that almost everyone I've connected with on LinkedIn have a great headshot, though I have spotted a few that have the default LinkedIn background. This is super easy to fix. Sign into LinkedIn and go to your homepage. LinkedIn will typically default to your feed. Once you're in, go to your page and select the edit icon on the background here. Select the background that you want from your machine, make any adjustments including choosing a specific filter and refining how your background looks, then select Apply. And that's it, you're done. LinkedIn are constantly updating and improving their experience, so be sure to check back to see what's new. Now let's talk about headlines. This is where you get your chance to say more than just your job title. Think of it as a mini elevator pitch. For example, instead of just saying software developer, you could say full stack developer, building scalable web applications, AI enthusiast. It's all about highlighting your expertise. In the About section, tell your professional story. Make it authentic and relatable, of course, whilst also using industry-relevant keywords that give your readers a reason to contact, connect, and engage with you. Be sure to cut out the buzzwords and focus on your unique value proposition. This may take a few iterations, however, it's definitely worth doing, again to support your personal brand and the next role you're hoping to land. I'd add some of your unique personality into that too, because we know that people buy from people, right? Thirdly is engagement. LinkedIn is no longer about digital resumes and CVs. It's becoming a social platform for professionals. Share relevant, valuable content regularly and interact with your network. Multi-image and document posts currently tend to generate more engagement. Don't shy away from video content either. It's becoming more and more ubiquitous on the platform, so if you're willing to, put your face out there. Of course, when sharing, keep it real. Add value to others and don't be afraid to have a different view. The upshot is that consistent engagement helps build a solid reputation in your space. Now here's a pro tip. Put in 15 to 20 minutes each week into your calendar to review your LinkedIn feed. Comment and connect with others to help build a healthy engagement habit. Fourthly, here is a quick win. Customize your LinkedIn URL. It's simple, but it makes a whole world of difference when someone is checking out your profile. Instead of the default LinkedIn gives you, try linkedin.com/in/yourname. Not your name, but your name. You get me? It looks much cleaner and professional. However, if someone already has your name, not your name, but your name, we've been around this before, haven't we? You'll need to come up with an alternative, which could be linkedin.com/in/yourname_creative, maybe yourname_enabler. Sometimes you may go with just numbers, 1, 2, or 3. Whatever it is, remember that keywords play a key part here as well. These are crucial for SEO or search engine optimization within LinkedIn. Use terms and phrases that potential recruiters or clients are likely to be searching for in your field. Fifthly, and one of the most underrated features in my humble opinion on LinkedIn, are recommendations. Don't hesitate to ask for them. People are usually more than happy to give a really good recommendation, especially if you've worked closely together with them. Giving a thoughtful recommendation can also help strengthen relationships. Closely coupled with recommendations is networking. Keep your contact information up to date as well. It's not about quantity here, it's certainly more about quality. When sending connection requests, always personalize them. Mention where you met or highlight a shared interest, for example, as it helps build genuine relationships and serve as powerful testimonials. Point number 7 is showcasing your skills, certifications, and endorsements. These are a must. LinkedIn's featured and skills sections allow you to highlight what makes you stand out. This is where you don't need to be shy. Add those courses you've completed, the certifications you've earned, and the projects that make you proud. This is your opportunity to brag in a positive and constructive fashion. You can choose which endorsements you show or hide. Pictures obviously speak 1,000 words, so show your work. Point number 8, and something close to my heart and part of my personal value system, is to show a passion for learning. Complete courses on LinkedIn Learning, or even elsewhere for that matter, and where you can, add the certificates to your profile. This clearly demonstrates your commitment to continued personal and professional growth. Lifelong learning isn't just a buzzword, it's a way of life. Point number 9 is something that shouldn't be overlooked, and those are LinkedIn groups and events. These are fantastic places to network and stay informed about the latest trends in your industry. Participate in discussions, attend virtual events to keep building your professional network. Again, this is a place where you can show the value of who you are and what you bring to the table. Finally, we touched on this a little bit earlier. However, you may want to consider creating your own content. With increased competition, original niche content that adds value to your network is now more important than ever. Share your expertise through articles, posts, and even short videos. I'm a massive fan of this, and I believe that people don't just want to connect with your content, they actually want to connect with you. So there you have it, 10 of the best practices to optimize your LinkedIn presence in 2024. LinkedIn is constantly evolving, so be sure to stay up to date with the latest features and functions. If you found this helpful, please do leave me a comment below and let me know what other LinkedIn tips you would add to this list. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.